Hello and welcome to this example video where I walk through doing this exercise from GeoGebra about comparison shopping, where we're going to use a unit rate to determine which is the better buy. So I want to show you a couple of options. Now, first of all, quick recap. Unit rate is a fraction or a rate with a denominator of 1. And so we want a denominator of 1. All right, so looking at the two options we have here, we have a small pack of juice boxes for $3.25. We're wondering which one's the better buy for juice boxes. So the rate we have here is $3.25 for 10 boxes. All right. And over here, the rate is $12.41 for 30 boxes. Right now, it's hard to tell which one is the better deal. And so by going to a unit rate, it's going to be easier to see which one is costs more money. So the one on the left here is a little bit easier to work with because I'm dividing by 10. I just have to bump my decimal over one way that way, one spot to the left. And so this one costs 32.5 cents or dollars, if you will, per one box. And that's the goal. We want to get a unit rate of 1. Now, this one's a little more complicated because 30 is difficult to deal with. But what I'm going to do in my mind is I'm going to think of 30 as 3 times 10. So what I can do is apply that 10 rule, bump over the decimal, and now I can divide by 3. So let's see here. Um, 3 goes into 12 4 times. So 0.4 goes in there perfectly, and then it leaves me with one more for there. And at this point, I can stop. So it's about 41 cents, and there's going to be some more later, but I know that one box costs about 41 cents on the right, but one box only costs 32.5 cents on the left. So that one must be the cheaper one. So I will select that one, and I'll see how I did. And it says I'm correct. Yay, let me erase all my work so we can see that. All right, let's try another one. Okay, large box of some bars. All right, and then a small box. So first, we'll come up with the rate. So $3.42 for 20 bars and $1.05 for 15 bars. All right. So again, this can be kind of tricky dealing with these numbers. What might be another thing I can do is get it to a common denominator. So I'm not going to use unit rates for this one. I'm going to see how much it would be to get 60 bars. And why 60 bars? Because 60 is a common multiple of both 20 and 15. And so to go from 20 to 60, I would need to multiply by 3. And I'm going to do the exact same thing here. I'm going to times this by 3. And so that gives me 6, 2, carry a 1, take care of my decimals, $10.26 for 60 bars. Here, I need to times by 4. Times by 4. And so I will get 0, 2, and then 4. $4.20 to get 60 bars if I buy the small pack. And so this one right here looks like the better deal. So I'm going to select it and see how I did. That's correct. Fantastic. It's always good when you get these correct. So I showed you two ways you can go about this. If you want to, you can do the straight up division, which is what they're recommending you do right here. Or you could also find a common denominator and kind of go to the opposite of a unit rate if you want. So hopefully this has helped you feel a little bit better about unit rates and how to apply them when comparing. Let me know if you have any other questions.